I just found a brand new way that you can make videos that go viral on social media without having to edit, without actually having to create the content, and by you just typing in a simple text prompt. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what tool you need to use in order to do this, how you could actually use it, and I'm going to give you several ways that you could take this new capability and make money with it. Now, that new tool and feature that I'm talking about is going to be Deep Agent by Abacus, because now it can create full viral videos for you. Check this out. I just type in something like this. Can you generate a video on what makes a Ferrari F12 special with an influencer talking? I'm going to click this right here, and this is going to go ahead and this is going to do its things. And it can do this by using MCP servers, and you literally don't have to do anything. It comes out of the box like this, and this is going to blow your mind for several different reasons. Now, the first thing that this is going to do is go through its process and ask us some clarifying questions. What you'll notice is that if you use things like VO3 or other competitors to this, it doesn't actually do this. And that's why they don't make viral videos. And it's why you have to keep going back and forth with them. You waste all of your credits and you don't actually get anywhere. But with Deep Agent, we don't actually have that problem because it asks clarifying questions like this. So do I want it to be a male or influencer? I'm going to put male. What tone would I like? I'm going to put super excited and energetic, but very professional. And then it says, do you want to focus on any specific aspects of the F12, like performance, design, history, or cover all features? I'm going to say, please talk about its performance and sales price. Now, all we have to do is give it this feedback right here, and it is going to go ahead, it is going to generate a script for us, and it is going to go through and do all the research that needs to be done. In the past, you would have had to do your own research. You would have had to provide your own script. You would have had to provide all of these things, but you don't have to do that anymore because Deep Agent allows you to do that with an AI agent instead of you just simply plugging in one tool. Now, as we can see right here, this went through, this did some research, and then it says, based on my research, I'll create an exciting high energy video for the Ferrari F12. Goes through and actually gives us a script right here. And then it went through and actually revised the script and made it better. Now, it also went through and revised it again because it was said that it was too long, so it wanted to make a more concise version. And what do we have here? We have the final script. And what this is going to then do is begin planning out the scenes. And this is crazy. I'm a content creator for a living, and I cannot believe that this is going through and literally doing my job. And what this now opens up is that anybody can be a content creator, anybody can make viral videos, and anybody can make social media content and try to sell it to somebody. And again, I want you to look at how this actually does this step by step. It went through, it did the research. Then it went through and created the script. And as we could see, it's creating a voiceover at each section of this. And this is how it's actually determining whether or not the video is going to be able to hit the right length. And we could actually check out this voiceover right now. Check this out.
Leave the absolute beast we're talking about today.
And then the other thing that's crazy is we could tell it to change the voiceover. We could have it adjust all those things. Or if we wanted to, we could download this right here and take it and use it for our own content creation. Now, as we could see here, this goes through the different video plan. We have the total duration. We have whether or not it's going to be a lip sync. We have all of the different scenes that it is going to create, what the script is going to be, what the asset is actually going to be. And then this goes through and actually develops out and plans out the video the same way that a producer would. And then it comes over here and it creates the background music. And then it says, please review this plan and let me know if I should proceed with this video. Now, what I am going to ask this to do is I'm going to say, please don't use any background music, and please make sure any captions or text on the screen are placed in the middle. So the reason that I asked it to do that is because I don't want it to actually block anything that it might block on one of these social media platforms. And I don't want it to add any background music just out of fear that it's going to overpower the rest of the video. But as we could see here, this literally went through and did the work of a producer or of an influencer in figuring out exactly what the video plan is. And then again, it asks us to approve it, which I love because then we don't actually get some result that we didn't want. And the other thing that you're going to notice is that this is now going to go through and generate all the different images, all the different videos, all the different B-roll, and we will be able to, similar to the voiceover, be able to look at them, be able to download them by themselves. And this is actually going to give us access to all of the different assets that were used to create the video. So if we want to save them to use them in a future video, or if we want to be able to manipulate them ourselves. And as we can see here, this generated an image, a video, an image, an image, a video, an image, a video, and 3 other images. And this is going to finish up here any second now. Combine all these with the voiceover, and then we're going to have a video that could go viral about a Ferrari F12. And I want you to think about the power of this, because in the past, it would have taken several humans to do this, or it would have taken a human hours, but now we can do this in just a few minutes. Okay, so now that this is actually done, let's check it out.
Guys, you won't believe the absolute beast we're talking about today. The Ferrari FR12 Berlinetta. This isn't just any Ferrari. This is a 730 horsepower monster. A massive 6.3-liter V12 engine.
Now, the craziest thing about this that I really like is that it actually switches the B-roll based on what it's talking about. Here, it's talking about the engine, and as we can clearly see, it included the engine. In addition to that, it put the text in the middle like I had asked it to, and it doesn't have any background music. And honestly, that barely even scratches the surface of what this is capable of doing. Check this out right here. This literally went through and made a recipe video.
Hack, toast your bread until golden brown. While that's happening, mash avocado with salt and lime.
Which is crazy, because I didn't think it would be able to do something like this, especially with these human hands today. And if that's not crazy enough for you, check this out, because they literally created a UGC creator, and this has me scared for my job, because this is nuts that you can now do this and spin it up to promote your product, other products, be an affiliate for products, and so much more.
Abacus AI just dropped their God-tier AI agent, and it's insane. Deep Agent is changing the game. Imagine an AI that builds applications, automates...
Now that's crazy. If I was using this example, I would have had it add in some more B-roll and things like that so that you actually know what it's talking about, but it's nuts that this is able to do this. Now, before I show you how to actually leverage this tool to make money with AI in 2025, I need to make sure that you understand that you can go to the pinned comment below and get started with Deep Agent today. Now, this feature that I'm showing off is going to be part of their Pro tier, which starts at $20 a month, but that's an absolute no-brainer when you think about all the other things that come with Deep Agent, because you can use Deep Agent to build websites, to build apps. You also get access to Chat LLM, which allows you to access every single LLM from one interface. You get access to their AI engineer that allows you to build chatbots or AI agents, and so many other cool tools and features that come with Deep Agent. And if you're like me, you're probably running to the pinned comment right now, because this is the most cost-effective way for you to be able to access all these different AI tools and all these different features with one subscription. Now, in terms of actually making money with content like this, there are several different things that you could do. And this is one of the biggest opportunities for you to be able to make money with AI in 2025. The first thing that you could do is you could start uploading these viral videos to platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Like we could see right here, this video right here uploads faceless travel videos, and these videos go viral all the time. And guess what they're then able to do? They're able to get brand deals from that. They're able to get paid from TikTok Creators Reward Program, where TikTok literally pays you for making videos over 60 seconds long. And there's so many other different monetization opportunities with this. And you don't just have to do this with travel. Like I showed you, you could do this with recipes. You could pretty much do this with any content, because Deep Agent is not only going to create the content, they're also going to do the research for you. In addition to that, if you come to a website like Fiverr, what are you going to notice? Literally on their homepage, they have UGC videos right here. What does that mean? That means that a ton of different people are making money by making UGC generated content. And guess what you can now do? You can now make UGC content with AI. So you can create your own thing on here, and you could begin to create content for brands, for other influencers, or you could start your own product and begin to market it with UGC generated content like I showed you could do with Deep Agent, or you can create your own content with Deep Agent that you can then post on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube to sell your own product. The opportunity is endless here. The main thing now is that you are able to create video content even though you don't know how to edit or how to actually create content. And it kind of takes away the fact that you have to do this, because you're now able to do this faceless, and all you have to do is post videos in the right niche, build up an audience, or begin to work with brands and create this type of content for them. Now, if you like this video, you're gonna love this video right here that walks you through Claude's new models, because they just released Claude 4 Sonnet and Claude 4 Opus, and you're not gonna wanna miss all the crazy capabilities that you can now do with this. I'll see you over there.